The altar, that is a ritual that I always do, because altar is a place where we can direct our energy and to focus our intentions and prayers. Through that, in a very simple ritual, we can restore sacredness. We remember how to give time to sacredness, because that for me is the biggest wound of these times. We don't remember how life is so sacred, how everything is interdependent and we work together, we live together.
Well, in terms of nature and rituals and ancient wisdom, that is something that I always felt curious about. How does it feel to be in touch with nature and to feel that I'm also a part of it, and how I can integrate it into my life?
So in this model, we have rituals where they connect with their soul. We go into other dimensions. For example, the soul hunting, we go into this quantum field that is the universe to bring those parts that they are somehow lost.
I had this feeling of guilt, and then during this process I was like, I felt like I returned the lost energy, because this guilt was like eating me from inside, and I managed to bring back these parts of me, and I feel like I'm a more complete person now.
We integrate energetically with movements and sounds and visions, what many times in therapy we understand but we can't integrate. And what I see in people when we go through that, there's an integration of mind, emotions, physical body, spirit and energy. That's very beautiful and very valuable.
We heal to grow, we heal to expand, we don't heal to stay here on the child there.
Every ritual and practice and work in couples and work in group, it was like a chain of events that brought me to the point of yesterday, where I could feel a resolution of my very old trauma related to men.
When we're in ritual, it's more space for the heart and spirit and the mystery, and then it's like, finally I can be myself. For me, it's a space where I can really breathe, find freedom and connect to a deeper part of me. Yeah, that feels the most authentic part.
It's amazing. I wish that all the people that I know, I wish they somehow get a little bit at least of this, a glimpse of how it can be. Because it can be so much better than we have been taught.
So what I want to say to everyone, you are the walking altar, you are the sacred journey, you are life itself, and consciousness is what will bring you to that place of feeling that you are really here alive.